Your sort this week is going to involve contractions, and contractions involve taking two words and shortening one of the words to make the two words just one word. And you will see an apostrophe in all of these words. And where the apostrophe is where the first word ends and the beginning of the second part begins, but we cut out a couple of letters, so I will show you how that looks. So the words are going to be shortened for not, is, have, and will. So the word couldn't, we're going to shorten the word not. So you see there's apostrophe where the O should be. Couldn't means could not, and so that goes under the not category. Whose, we're taking the I out and putting an apostrophe in its place, and whose is short for who is. And then we have the word could've, and could've is short for could have. So the word could is still in place, but we take the HA off of have, and we get could've. We have the word they'll, and they'll is short for they will. And so we take the WI off the word will, and we put an apostrophe in its place. So they'll is for they will. Have the word wouldn't, and wouldn't is short for would not. We're taking the O out and replacing it with an apostrophe. The word theirs is short for there is. Again, we're taking the I out and putting an apostrophe in its place. Would've, taking the HA off of have and putting an apostrophe there. Would've is short for would have. That'll is short for that will. We take the WI off of will and put an apostrophe in its place. And you can see that the contractions that have a T at the end go in the not category. The contractions that have an S at the end go in the is category. The contractions that have VE at the end go in the have category. And the contractions that have LL at the end go in the will category. Let's do a few more. Aren't is short for are not, goes in the not category. Here's short for here is, so that's the is category. Should've, short for should have, goes under the have category. And this'll is short for this will, so that will go under the will category. And you have more words to sort, but I think you'll get the hang of it pretty quickly.